As a professional organizer, I work with a lot of couples. And usually one of the two people is a little more vested in keeping the house tidy and pulled together than the other. Most of the time it just takes organizing the home, making sure everything has a place so that it's easy to maintain. But if it's a chronic dynamic between two people, it can become a source of conflict. So, what do you do if you and your partner are not on the same page about keeping the house clean and tidy? Let's take a look at how law of attraction can help bring balance and peace to your home. So I could give you some hacks on how to live with a messy person. But the truth is, unless you actually have a broader perspective and transform the energy that's actually creating the situation to begin with, you'll never have long-term change. The whole premise of law of attraction is that you get what you focus on, whether it's something that you want or not. And some other words for focus are notice, think about, talk about, joke about, even pray about. So every time the subject comes up, or you even just notice the messiness of your partner, you get more of it. And even labeling someone as messy or lazy is a focused thought. When things feel chaotic and they never seem to be getting better, it's tempting to just take action, like find some new organizing technique or new house rules that you're going to police. But trying to control somebody's behavior just never works because you're pushing against it. You're focusing on the thing you don't want. The real power comes from focusing on something you appreciate about your partner. As you engage less and less with the negative thought of the messiness, it loses momentum and subsides. And as you replace it with the positive thought of the appreciation, you build momentum in the direction you want to go. And certainly, it takes practice. But you can, on any subject, choose the positive thought. And when you are in that positive, open-hearted space and able to hear source, you'll be inspired to take action or have a conversation. And it will be the perfect thing to say or do because source has heard your request and has been gathering all the cooperative components to bring you the peaceful, beautiful, tidy home that you desire. When somebody leaves a trail of dirty dishes and dirty clothes and piles on all the surfaces around them, that's a reflection of their own vibration. And not only can you not do anything about that, but it's really not your business. That's between them and source. When you focus on the positive aspects of your partner, you raise your own vibration. And because like attracts like, you begin to attract the best in your partner, the best behaviors and attitudes, and you open the space for positive conversations and actions that benefit you both. So, how do you get your messy partner to be more tidy? By making it your number one priority to take care of your own vibration. By looking for things to appreciate and always in every moment choosing the better thought. And source will take care of how everything plays out. So even though we can't change someone else's behavior, we can deliberately create whatever we want in our life experience. And that is indescribably empowering. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps my channel and it helps me to see what kind of content you enjoy so that I can create more of it. And if you did like this content, please hit that subscribe button. You might also want to check out this other video on organizing with the law of attraction. Thank you so much for watching and happy organizing.